starts and stuff was not happening. Way too short. Started off with a big hardwood, but let's see, what was that? Oh, we're getting a foot there, you know, depending on how you, oh, a foot. What do you think, buddy? Alright, let's set this up so we can actually use it right. So these hoses are way too short. So that should be reaching. I think we should add. If each one of them got 20 inches, that would be fine. Already loose. So this has got two functions on it. So to operate the other function, you need to use some electronics. So they gave you this universal thing here, which is pretty cool. Look, you got hook that up to power. And then that's a magnetic base. That could have been anywhere in the machine, but this machine is already wired for accessories, so let's hook it up to that instead. All right, I just got new lines made here that are 20 inches longer. So look at the dirt I got in there. was that? Is that something? Good boy, Cody. Okay, so I got the diagram right here. So B is our ground. There. We'll hook that right there. Pin D directly over. So that should be... Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, so when I push the button, you see both? Well, that's exciting. Okay. Alright, so this is what it had. Pins. No wires reach that in as well. And these here, I don't leave those on the ground. Those are trash to me. They look bad. Just going in the trash can. Put it on there. And there's a special crimping tool for this. Should they stick out that much? Oh wait. So I didn't do a very good job right here. So it's like, look, they're up here. Now you put them flush. No, nothing's, look, nothing's holding them in. Look at these pins here. I don't think these are the right pins. Those ones are in. They seem to, it's pulling on it, not moving. The electrical hooked up, so this runs the function. If you hold this button while running the function, it makes it rotate instead. This one's kind of big here, but let's see if I can get it. It's messed up looking, it's leaning, and I want to be able to send my helicopter through here, so it's rather not have as many trees as. Of that one, you know, you got to nibble at it a little bit, but I got it pretty much below ground level here too. I'll be impressed if I can get this one. That's too big for it. Dump a load of gravel. That's below grade. That's fine. Yes. Yes, you're a good boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes. All right. All right, well, I think that does a pretty good demonstration of this tree shear. I pretty much cut down any hardwood tree I asked it to, even stuff that was bigger than it was meant to. Another thing I'm liking here, this isn't sharp at all. So what's cool about that is if it can work when it's not sharp, because it's not supposed to be, I guess, that means it'll probably stay working. So I think that's going to come in very handy in the future. Just being able to cut a tree down, flush with the ground, cut it up in pieces, move the pieces around, not have to be sharpening chainsaw chains or anything. Hey, buddy. Yeah, I think that was definitely worth it. The thing wasn't even that much money either. These are the people who I got it from. Also ordered a bunch of tracks from them too, and it had it in like 3 days, so that was cool. So part of the reason was for this, I want to be able to land like a Robin helicopter here. So pilots of YouTube, what do you guys think? Is this enough space? I mean, I guess I could lose a few more of these trees, but You know, that way you don't have to just, that way when you're taking off, you don't have to go straight up every time. Usually it's more desirable to kind of go up at an angle. So yeah, here's a brand new set of tracks for that TL10 right there. So